Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos and I'm back with another acrylic pouring video. This time I am doing a cloud pour, but I'm also going to do 2 cups. No satin enamel in 1 cup, but I am putting it in the other one. And my mix is 40% floetrol, 40% paint, 10% PVA, and some water with dishwashing liquid for consistency. And I'm talking about a small drop of dishwashing liquid in, let's say, 10 ounces of water. This has been my favorite mix, and so I'm using it again. It always gives me a really nice finish. So for this one, I was interested in kind of getting the cloud pour, but I also wanted like a more solid area of color without the white. So that's why I'm doing 2 cups for this. I apologize because at the end you're going to see there's like this big glare on the white part. Not sure what happened there, but I guess my phone was picking it up overexposed. So I apologize for that, but there will be pics of the piece at the end that you can see. Okay, well, enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll put in the description box exactly the colors that I'm using as well as how I mix my paints.